guys, good morning. Tayo po ay magluluto ng bake chicken breast wrapped with bacon. But first things, so we have to season them first. So I cut them into like this, the chicken breast. And then we're gonna season them. First, we're gonna put garlic salt. Garlic salt yan. Then, we have to use ground black pepper. Ground black pepper kasi nagpapalasa po yan. Then, I have the paprika. And then, yung rosemary natin para magkaroon siya ng fragrance. So, yan. We have to mix them. Okay, siya ng konti. Okay. Alright. So, yan guys. Alright, so, we're gonna start wrapping them with bacon. So, one slice of bacon. You can use also, if you want a little, you know. So, like that guys. And then we just put it right on this. And then bake natin sa oven. Or you can use your air fryer kung may air fryer kayo. That's better. Alright. Gawin lang natin hanggang matapos. I-wrap natin ng ganyan. So here is our chicken breast wrapped with bacon. So we don't need to put some oil in it because the bacon has already fats that helps to cook. And if you don't have an oven, you can use an air fryer if you have air fryer. And if you don't have air fryer, you can just fry it into the skillet or pan. So I put rosemary just to, you know, give some fragrance in it, aroma. So i-bake natin ito ng about 375 degrees Fahrenheit for like 30 minutes. So that's it after 30 minutes, but I want the bacon to be like golden brown, so I have to add a little more, probably 15 minutes.